Hello everyone. Today in my Open CV series, this is the program is the type of color space where there are different types of color space which is frequently used in the program. So there are mainly RGB and HSI, lab and YCBCR. These four types of color space in use in OpenCV. So I one by one will tell you. This is the first program where I am using the RGB. Is a RGB is a red, green, and blue, and these the most common. This is the most common color which we are which is used in image processing, and also RGB used in digital image. So first I have upload the to library is CV2 and Matplotlib. Is Matplotlib mainly used for the visualization. We can display the image. That's why I'm using the Matplotlib. It's working now. The second is I am taking the variable img, and this is the CV2 that im read means image. It's read the image. Where is my image? So this is the path in my image. So running. Next is I am taking the RGB variable where I want to convert my color. So this is a CV2 and CVT means color, convert color, where I am passing the my variable name image, and then CV2 dot in which color I want to change is the dot color BGR to RGB. This is the inbuilt function. When you type the CV2 dot see that pop-up window open, you can select this. And next is I am using the PLT. This is the my object. I have created object PLT dot IM show means image show, and where I am passing the my variable RGB. So this is the real picture. Sorry, real image which I upload. Then I am using the three color. So R so I am take the variable R, G and B in different in one line. I am not using the first I am using R then G. So I am creating the three variable, and then CV split CV2 dot split, and where I am passing the my the RGB variable which I am using there. So is it split? It can give the different part of the image, which I have give that it give the color. So which types of color uh, we are using. So this is the CV2, and I am right. I image right is the image right used for the display the image. So where I am passing the R, this is the R variable, and second is my G variable, and third is my B variable. So it show the true means all are working. Now I want to display my image. If I am using the R, so PLT dot image show, and where I am passing the R variable. This is the so this is the output, and this is the original picture. Same thing, I am using the G variable, because I am taking the three variable RGB, red, green and blue. So this is the G variable. This is the first image. This is the second image. It show the different way. And last is the blue. So this is the blue. So these are the different image. The original image is this one, and these are the different red, green and blue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.